How to order and pay on the Temu application. Hello everyone and welcome to the channel once again. In this video, I'll be showing you some simple steps via which you can order and pay on the Temu application. So without any further ado, let's get started with the video. First of all, open the Temu application. On the home feed, you'll be able to see multiple options like the categories section and the deals, all and offer section. Here you can select all of the items that you want to purchase, simply tap on it. Or if you want to be more specific, go to the search option and then type in whatever you want to purchase. And after you finally found the item that you want to purchase, simply tap on it. There you can select the size as well as the quantity. If you scroll down further, you'll also find reviews. Simply tap on the add to cart option after you find it, then go to your cart and tap on checkout. You can pay via your debit cards, credit cards as well as PayPal. However, if you want to pay via Afterpay, Klarna, Affirm, or PayPal later, you need to make sure that your order is worth more than $20, $25, $30, and $35. So make sure that you've added your proper address and then you can consider checking out. And there you go. That is how you can order and pay on the Temu application. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you'd like to see more content like this, please consider supporting us by subscribing to the channel.